I'm answering your questions again. Today, you've asked me, why do I coach? So today's video is all about why you should coach and the benefits of coaching, not only as a business, but as a way of changing the world for the better. Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you what I learned from a rowdy bunch of 5th graders. And I'll share with you the totally selfish reason that's going to get your people massive results. And then I'll show you how to build your business success in comfort and style. The biggest reason why I coach personally is a sense of personal fulfillment. It's the idea of being able to share my passions with other people and help them progress along the way. Seeing people achieve something that previous to you coming about into their lives was something they thought would be really difficult. And then being able to see how they progress through that process is really rewarding. If I look back at my earliest coaching experiences, when I'm working with rock climbing and canoeing and water sports and things like that, and it was seeing kids like on water skis, for example, seeing kids struggle, and every time you give them a new tip, you give them a new pointer, and they persevere and they push through, and then suddenly it clicks. Suddenly they're up on top of the water, and it's such a fulfilling experience to see them at the end of the week go back to their parents so excited about what they achieved in that week. And you take that to adults as well, especially for my business owners. Teaching them skills, giving them that constant feedback, those constant messages, that constant coaching advice, per se. That is so incredible to see when they put that in place. They persevere through the difficult times. They celebrate the wonderful times, and they achieve so much at the end of it. It's just absolutely incredible. I'm determined to build a network of incredible entrepreneurs who are all focused on changing the world for the better. And it's incredible to see how quickly that network can evolve once you step into that space of loving that fulfilling feeling of helping people with your coaching practice. Before I get any further into this video, I want to know, why do you coach, or why are you interested in becoming a coach? Have you had coaches in your past who have really changed your direction or changed your life? I want to know about them down in the comments below, so definitely let us know. Now, for the totally selfish reason that's actually going to help get your people incredible success is when you, the coach, are able to tap into your passions. So when you are coaching something that you're incredibly passionate about, it will come off in the way that you talk. It'll come off in the way that you're able to explain things. It definitely changes the way that you walk your people through a process if you have that deep connection to it. So I used to be a rock climbing teacher, and we would do not just traditional rock climbing, but we'd do high ropes, which are like climbing up 50-foot telephone poles with obstacles on the top of them. And this one that was my boss's absolute favorite, and I'm sure I've mentioned it on this channel before, it's known as a team balance. You have a telephone pole that goes vertical and a beam, a wood beam that goes on top, and it's like a giant teeter-totter 30-40 feet in the air. Fabulous, super fun. And when I bring staff there and we're doing our staff training, and I have new people who aren't familiar with this element or how it works or intimately what it looks like from the participant's perspective, I love putting those participants, those new staff, onto the element so that they can explore it for themselves. Because later on in the season, once that staff member has experienced that challenge for themselves, they know where the secret handles are. They know where to shift their weight and how to best explain that to another participant who might be reaching their panic zone. And so when you take that, maybe you're not a rock climbing teacher, maybe you're not a water skiing teacher, maybe you're a coach for entrepreneurs, maybe you're a coach for busy moms, but ultimately, if you've walked that path before, if you have that connection to those intimate skills, those little moments, those micro skills, you're going to give your people a better chance at success because you're going to share from your experience. So find what you are passionate about. Find your team balance, find your teeter-totter, find your secret handles, and share those with your people. That is going to help them achieve that ultimate tangible result a heck of a lot faster. We all love that speed. Talking about speed, I'm interested in seeing how quickly we can grow this visibility hacking channel. So definitely hit that subscribe button, join us for the journey, and help us get those numbers up. Now it's time to talk about comfort and style. The ultimate reason why I have turned to online coaching is because I can run my business in my pajama pants. I can run my business from the hammock behind me. I can run my business sitting out in my beautiful backyard because I have positioned my business in a way that allows me to teach my concepts, to walk people through my frameworks, to get them their results online, entirely online. So I don't have to dress up in a suit and tie. I don't need to haul my butt through traffic down to some corporate office. I've built a business that's going to let me live the life I've always wanted to live. So if you want to do your business in your pajamas from your bed, why not? Why not look at how you can become a coach as well? I know a financial coach who is in love with the idea of traveling around the world with her family. And so that's exactly what she did. We transitioned parts of her business so that she would be able to still have those client-facing, face-to-face type of connections with her people, but she'd be doing them entirely online, allowing her to be wherever she wants to be in the world. So now her and her partner and her 3 kids are able to travel all over the world without ever having to look at their schedule and go, oh, I have to be in a certain place at a certain time. I have to be on the other side of the world for a meeting. Doesn't matter. She just logs into her computer and bam, she's able to access her clients from absolutely every corner of the world. So if you want that kind of an impact in your personal life, in your business life, if you want to find the secrets to maximum visibility for your online coaching business, then definitely check the link down below and join us for the Visibility Hacking Secrets training. I've put together an entire vault of some of my favorite strategies from the visibility hacking movement that help us get incredible results for our people, that help our people get incredible results for their people, and let's have that impact in the world that we actually change the world for the better as entrepreneurs. So join me, click the link down below, and I will see what you guys do with those incredible frameworks.